Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from affiliatescrusher.com, or as colloquially being referred to now by a few people, the Crusher. Anyway, as you can see, we've got 11 days, 8 hours, 16 minutes, and so many seconds to go at the time of this recording before we release the program. And what we've done, as you can see, is we've got all of the information on here where you can direct people to this page as an affiliate, and if they register, then they decide to upgrade at a later date, then you are going to earn a commission. Now, how does that work? Well, again, you need to be on our JV partner program. So that's affiliates with an S, affiliatescrusher.com/JV will get you to this page. And as you can see, all of the information about the pre-launch competition is here and what's going on. We've also got the leaderboard. We will update this again in a few more days. But everything you need in the way of tools to market your business is down here, or market the program. So get onto it and have a look. As we said, you've got links. You can check your stats. We've got swipes, we've got banners, and we're adding more tools all the time. But one of the reasons I wanted to give you an update today is that we have the new blog too. So if you go over to blog, then what you're going to find is we're going to try and keep you updated on the blog as to what's happening with the Affiliates Crusher. Now, depending on your connection speed, it may take up to 10-15 seconds for it to load, but it's here. And of course, you can get back to the affiliate site right up the top here. But what we're doing is we're giving you some information on using Affiliates Crusher as far as the affiliates program is concerned, but we're also giving you some inside tips and tricks as well. The newsletter is not available yet. We're working on that, so don't bother filling that in. All right, so all the information, as I said, is on here. Now, speaking of updates, we have updated the page that people are taken to after they fill in the pre-registration. So again, if I just go back to the JV program quickly and I come down to the tools, if you use this link here, your affiliate link here, or you go into links and use the affiliate link that's right here, what's going to happen is when you promote that link, you're sending people to this pre-registration page. Now, as again, once they sign up and they register, if they decide to upgrade later, then you will be the benefit of that upgrade. So speaking of that, here is a screenshot of the page they're taken to, because we don't want to give away the actual page name. But you can see, thanks for registering. What we've done is we've added in an unannounced video bonus for those people that get in or on to the list through your affiliate link. As you'll see, we'll be sending out a discount code to them just before launch. That discount code, as we've mentioned before, will be $100 off our standard recommended retail price, but it'll only be for the launch only. So that is one way that you could say to them, hey, look, get on this list, have a look at it, get a $100 discount code at the minimum. You may or may not like it, but it's better to have the code than not have it in case you do. Now, here is a copy of all of the things that are going to be in the program. There is a heap more bonuses than this, but as you can see, we're going to give away custom templates to Facebook and YouTube, plus the software to use to edit them. Giving away a copy of Mike Fulsame's Butterfly Marketing. There's also free software, access to mind mapping and funnel mapping and visual editors. And we've got a whole heap of PSD files and templates and all sorts of other stuff that comes along with the training. But as we've mentioned, the unannounced bonus that we've added to the page here is the first tag wins video. Now, this is a really interesting video. If you haven't seen it yet, you can watch it yourself on the blog because you're not going to be able to get to this page unless you sign up yourself. But this is another unannounced bonus, and you can let people know there's an unannounced bonus that they may want to get access to along with the discount code. So it's another way to help you promote the Crusher. And speaking of that, again, if we just go back, so if you want to watch that video that was on the bonus page, go over to the JV page, grab your tools to promote it, of course, but you can hit the blog button up the top here. That will take you to the blog, and as you can see, affiliate links, first tag wins or does it. And in there is some really, really cool ways that you can advertise not only the Affiliates Crusher, but your Groove account and any other affiliate product you have within the Groove system. So go and check it out, because there's some really cool information in there on how you can help others within the Groove system that may have a free account and don't know enough about it to upgrade. And then with the right persuasion, of course, and the right information, they may just do that, and you may earn another affiliate commission. And again, that's all in here. Affiliate links, first tag wins or does it. So go check it out. All right, that's the update for today. We'll talk to you in a couple more days, or maybe even tomorrow. But either way, we'll see you soon.